One of the decisions that I've taken in this pandemic that has made me really happy is to join this basic acting workshop by Akshay and Krishna.
When Krishna and Akshay came up with this workshop, I was very much intrigued. And since I have been following their work closely and I've been watching them perform, I was very much interested to find out how it would be attending a workshop where they are actually teaching.
I had a doubt on, I was not at all very confident on the online workshops, especially with the new people who we have never met and talked, right? So I had the same doubt, but all my doubts are gone from the day one during the workshop, man. At the end of the workshop, now I'm having a confident, I'm able to do kind of any character with the help of the
To use our body as a tool, how breathing is important in
I must say
acting.
that I had an amazing experience, and the activities, the techniques of teaching was really like an eye opener about our surroundings, about the world we live in, and most importantly about acting itself.
Basic voice exercises, body exercises, and other exercises which would tickle our creativity to a huge extent. This also helped us getting relaxed in front of other co-actors.
And how it looks like. And even though I am really passionate about acting, but I really came to know by attending this workshop, my main learning from this workshop is that there is so much more to learn. Like this craft of acting, there is so much more to learn from these people, and there is so many technicalities that an actor needs to keep in mind. And there is, like, not just to acting, even in normal life there are techniques that we can apply and live a more fulfilled life.
complete compact tool of from self to an actor and how to do in a no acting method. Okay, and especially I would tell certain points like whenever we ask doubts, they never hesitated to tell the answer. They were very passionate about what they are doing. They have never shown a face. They was answering for all of our questions. Okay, even during the activity, if we have any doubts, they're literally. And the another one, the timings, it was actually announced at 2 hours, but they have gone for 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Nobody does that in during the workshops. Okay, we have paid and they won't take responsibility, but here they had taken a responsibility. I mean, they took the responsibility and they made us an actor.
I really liked the workshop because they had designed it really well. It was very well thought of, and there was a lot of planning into it. It was very fun and interactive learning, and they have given us tools and techniques which we can use not only as an actor but also in our daily lives. And the best part is that the course, they were customizing it depending on how the classes are going and how the group is interacting, how the group is responding to the whole thing.
I'm Abhishek. I was kind of skeptical about any kind of online workshop, especially for acting one, even though I do theatre. But I trusted Krishna and Akshay on this note, and it turned out really well, even better than offline.
One of the best, most impulsive decisions I've ever taken. It attacks acting in a very, very different perspective, and I thoroughly enjoyed that. 7 days seemed pretty short because it was so exciting and amazing. A lot of new learnings, a lot of different approaches to acting. And it's not just about acting, it's also about journeying within the inner self. And I thoroughly enjoyed the course. I can vouch for it definitely because I myself have done it. Good job, Akshay and Krishna. Great job. You guys are doing fantastic. And I really, really want people out there who are looking to act or learn what acting is all about, do take up their course. It's really fantastic, and I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun in doing so.